fried rice, leftover steak fried rice that I'm gonna also cook with some bacon that I rendered down. I use the bacon fat because who doesn't like bacon fat? This is a simple fried rice, so I'm going to add onions, carrots, and then frozen peas. I don't have garlic, so I'm just using garlic powder today, along with some salt and white pepper, a little bit of soy sauce, and then MSG. That is it. Very simple, and I'm gonna do 2 batches. A little trick, I actually think freshly cooked rice is better, but you have to spread it out on the plate when it's still warm. For whatever reason, I feel that's better for me. Got the wok, it's on low heat right now, and then I will fry all this up to make a couple batches for all the girls. This is a Japanese style fried rice because it's more simple. It's not coated with sauces. You taste more in the ingredients. Personally, this is what I prefer. Don't get me wrong, I love the kimchi fried rice. I love garlic fried rice of the Philippines, which is super dressed down, but this is a basic Japanese style fried rice. Are you hungry? Alright, get that bacon fat in there. About half of it. I'll use the other half. Get it on the high heat. So the more dense or firm vegetables first. Carrots being the first ones. I cut these real small so it won't take very long. Now onions. And I've got the heat on high at this point. There we go. Oh, that smells good already. Normally I would saute some garlic in here to get the oil flavored up, but I don't have any right now. Now I'm gonna add that. This is the steak. Medium rare steak, which is perfect for when you want to cook something else with it. If you've got leftovers. Gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. A little extra. Green peas. There we go. At this point, everything's about halfway cooked, and I'm gonna add the salt. Plenty of salt. You'd be surprised how much salt you need with fried rice because you're gonna add the rice here in a second. Now the white pepper. I like how the white pepper hides in the food. That's why I use white pepper versus salt. There we go. There we go. There we go. The peas don't need to be cooked very long because they're already quite small and soft. I'm just trying to thaw them out real quick and give them a good pan fry. That's why I put them in at the very end. By the way, if you can get yourself a wooden spatula that's the shape of like I don't know, like a wider spatula. This is specifically for wok cooking, which I love. Now, if you can, get yourself one of these, a metal one, because you can really cut through the rice with this one. It's the only downside, quite noisy. So at this point, what I'm gonna do, and it's smelling amazing, that white pepper is coming through. I'm gonna add the rice. If you spread it on a plate like this, it just makes it easier to put it in there. Now, really important when you're doing wok cooking, don't overcrowd your wok, because it won't cook correctly. Smashing it, breaking it apart. Add a little soy sauce. I did already add salt. And then this is when I add the MSG. Break up the rice. Here we go, here we go. The sides. The rice can stick a little bit at this point. What I'm trying to do is break up all the rice clumps. Okay, one thing I like to do, add some butter. Just gonna grab some right out of there. Oh, I don't want that little, if you don't move all the ingredients, it can stick to the bottom sometimes. Oh, Oh yeah, I can see all that butter coating over rice. Okay, this is where this other one comes into play. Should have just used it. You can really scrape the bottom. See? Well, basically done. Hey, are you hungry?
Hot, hot, hot. We have to blow on it.
You're welcome. Is it good? A little hot? Is it good? Yeah.
We could possibly break. You said you wanted more rice.
He isn't.
Is that your second bowl?
No.
Mm-hmm. That's actually her third bowl, if you can believe that. That's good, huh? Alright, now we gotta deliver Mommy's food to her. Hey, you gonna help me deliver this? Not interested? Excuse me, what about Mommy? Do you want to try the fried rice?
Oh,
Are you hungry?
actually, yum. Wow. Steak and bacon? That's expensive. Mmm. Very good, thank you.